How to create a live triangle pattern design in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Key thing, just go to the triangle tool, just select that, there's the triangle tool there, set a fill colour and then create a design. Now I've got a gradient there, doesn't have to be a gradient, could be any design. Now it's a vector design at the moment, I don't want it as a vector design, I need to convert it into a pixel layer. You can do that via layer and rasterize. So now it's a pixel layer, you can see that, it says pixel over there, and go to a layer and new pattern layer from selection. You see what happens, you end up with a pattern layer which you can resize, rotate, etc. Now I'm going to remove the previous layer, don't need that anymore, so just delete that. What I can now do, I can duplicate that design, but I want to duplicate in a special way because I want this image to be, if I got that slot there, you can obviously see the transparency. I want to fill that, but I want to fill it with the same design, exactly the same design. And the way to do that is go to layer and duplicate linked. So layer and duplicate linked. Now, of course, at this point, it's exactly the same position. So I need to just rotate it by 180 degrees and you can see the design there. And again, move tool, just move that across and slot it into that position there. So now you've got this design. What you can do, select both, and you can resize. However, at this point, I don't like the colour anymore. I've changed my mind, don't like the colour anymore. So what do you do if you want to change a colour? Well, you could, of course, simply just go over here in the gradient tool and you think, oh, no, that doesn't work. What you need to do is to go to one of them and go to select and selection from layer. And you can see what happens. Now, avoid going down, applying the colour to this one. Just use this one. Use this one because it's in the centre, not going over the edge or anything. So once you've done that, just simply go there to the gradient tool, look any of the other colours as well, and just add a gradient. Now, straight away, that will change there as well because it's duplicate linked. Super useful duplicate linked. If you just did a duplicate, that wouldn't happen. Now, if that's what you want. If you want them to be different, absolutely fine. But if you want them the same, to create this sort of nice effect like this, simply just use duplicate linked. And you could obviously keep moving this around, change this, change that. And once you're happy with it, always go up to select and deselect. And again, go to the move tool and you can then select both, that's the key thing, both of the layers, both are linked, and then you can resize. Now, if you push it too much, if you really make a massive design, you can really see the sort of like jaggedness start to appear. Just keep it reasonably sized, fairly small, and you won't see that so badly. And again, if you've not got that selected, then you can then rotate it with that selected. You can do that. You can resize it. You can do all kinds of different designs. And also you've got other options. You've got shear as well. So you can create designs like that. You can there, angle, and so on and so on. Create a whole load of, and still, if you decide, you know what, I want to recolor it, do exact same as before, select this, make certain you're using this one, go to select and again selection from layer. You see you've got that selection there. Simply go over here and just add any gradient design you want. And again, it will change on the other one and you can create infinite amount of designs that way. Again, select and deselect and then select both and resize using the move tool. Hope you found this of interest. Always adding new tutorials all the time. A dislike or like, always appreciated. Any comments, please put below. Anything you'd like to see, always let me know below. Thank you much.